Hi dears, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing 7th class 11th lesson, that is light. Here in this lesson we are going to see what is light, what are the properties of light, luminous and non-luminous sources of light, then reflection of light, then to say what is the specialities of the plane mirror, what about concave and convex mirrors, then about the lenses, and all these we will discuss here. Okay. Before that, we have to see the question time of the 10th lesson. What is that? Electric current and its effect. What are the questions which I have asked you there? We are going to see. In the 10th lesson, I have asked you 3 questions. They are here. The alloy which is used in electric iron box is. What is the answer? It is the alloy which is used in electric iron box is nichrome. Second one, in fuse wire, the metal which is used is having low melting point or high melting point is the question. It will be always having low melting point. Then only it will break quickly so that the electrical appliances can be escaped from getting damaged when electrical fluctuations happens. Okay. The third question was, the electric bulb works on the principle of dash. The electric bulb works on the principle of electromagnetism. Okay. Now these questions has been answered. Now we are going to see about light. What is light? Light is a form of energy, isn't it? Which enables us to see. If the light is not there, can we see any objects? No, we can't see. So light helps us to see, and it is a form of energy also. Then the light is emitted by whom? By the luminous sources. Luminous sources emits this light, and this light enables us to see. So what are luminous sources? Luminous sources are the one which can produce lights of their own. Can you say some examples? Yes, we can say sun, stars, then to say candle, then electric bulb. All these are luminous sources. To say firefly, then some glowworms, or to say some jellyfish. All these can produce their own light, and they are said to be luminous sources. So we can divide the luminous sources as natural luminous sources and artificial. The sun, stars, firefly, all this comes in natural, and electric bulb, electric tubes, torches, all this comes in artificial luminous sources. Okay, so what about the non-luminous objects? Non-luminous objects are the one which can't produce light of their own. To example, human being, can we produce light? No, we can't produce light. Then desk, bench, table. To say moon. Moon is a non-luminous object. It glows only when the sun's light is falling on it. It is not having its own light. You have learned in second or third standard itself. You know things very well. I need not explain all this. So, these are called what, ma'am? These are the non-luminous objects. Okay. Then, is the light helpful only to see objects? No. Light is a form of energy, I have told you. And this form of energy can be converted in some other forms, which means that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. So this light energy can be converted to some other forms of energy also. And moreover, this light energy is needed for the photosynthesis, isn't it? We have learned autotrophs. The green leaves are autotrophs, and they need light energy for converting it into chemical energy. So for photosynthesis, this light energy is needed. Okay. Then we are going to say about the properties of light. What are some properties which you know? The properties of light is rectilinear property is the first one. What is the specialty of that? Which it says that light travels only in straight line. It needs straight line to travel. It can't bend and it can't turn here and there. Okay. So light travels only in straight line is one of this property. And to say light needs no medium to travel. Even though medium is there or not, light can travel smoothly. So it requires no medium. Even in space, it can travel. Even in air, it can travel. Even in water, the light can travel. Light can travel in all the medium. Even if medium is not there, light can travel. Okay. Yet another important property of the light is reflection. The reflection is possible for the light. What is this reflection? When we are saying about reflection, before that, we should know how we are able to see objects. How we are able to see objects? When we are entering into the dark room, can we see any objects over there? No. But when a light is put, we are able to see. How is it possible? This is because the light falls on the objects and it hit back to our eye. Then we are able to see the objects. So this is the reflection property of the light. So what is this reflection property? It is the phenomena of bouncing back of the light rays when it falls on a surface. Is it bouncing back in different medium? No, it is bouncing back in the same medium. If we are considering a surface, consider this as the surface. And when we are drawing a normal means with a perpendicular line we are drawing. When a ray of light is falling on the object, what happens? It will be reflected back or it will be bounced back. This is the incident ray. What we are saying this? This is the incident ray and this is what, ma? This is the reflected ray. The rays will be reflected back. So this is what? This is reflection. In which medium it is traveling? Both are traveling in same medium, but the direction of the light is different for the reflected ray than that of the incident ray. Okay. So what is reflection? Reflection is the phenomena in which light rays strikes the plane surface, returns in the same medium with change in angle. In almost all surfaces, this reflection happens. But if the surface is more and more smooth, the reflection will be maximum. Almost all rays will be reflected back when the surface is smooth. And if a surface is rough and if the surface is black surface absorbs or a black color itself will absorb most of the light. But the white and smooth surface, plain surface reflects the light back. Okay. So the reflection will be maximum when it is a smooth surface. Okay, ma'am? When we are saying about the reflection, we can't forget about the plane mirrors. When we are seeing a mirror, we will be able to see our face in it. Because of what, ma? Because of the reflection of light. So we are able to see our face means that thing is what? It is the image. We are the objects and plane mirror is the one which reflects the light from us, which is coming out from us, and it results in the formation of image inside the plane mirror. So we are able to see our face in the plane mirror. Okay, ma'am? Now we are saying about the specialities of the images which is formed in plane mirror. What are the specialities of the images? The images which are seen in the plane mirror is having the same size as that of object. When we are seeing in our face in plane mirror, will the face so smaller in plane mirror? No. Will our face be so big in this plane mirror? No. It will be same size as that of the object. Okay. Second one is we are getting erect images. Means upside part will be upside only and downside part will be downside only. It will not be upside down. It will be the erect image we are getting. And the third point is we will get a virtual image. Virtual image means what? We will discuss about it. Okay, we will discuss about it in detail. Okay, virtual, just you should have a knowledge now. We will get a virtual image in plane mirror. And the fourth point is the things are the images will be laterally inverted. Laterally inverted image will be obtained when we are seeing in the plane mirror. Means what? When we are lifting our right hand in the plane mirror, it will be appeared as the left hand. And when we are lifting the left hand, it will be seen as the right hand. That's why the ambulance is written in laterally inverted manner. Why they have written like that? When we are going in a vehicle in front of the ambulance, in the mirror of that vehicle, we can see the ambulance in the proper way. Because they know that the plane mirrors always laterally invert the image. That's why it is written in the laterally inverted manner in ambulance. Okay. So these are the specialities of what about the plane mirror. Dears, now we are going to see the virtual and real image. I have told you that in plane mirror we are getting the virtual image. So what is the opposite of this virtual image? It is real image. So what is the difference between this real image and virtual image? Have you seen cinemas in theaters? There, from the projector, light will be emitted and it will be caught on the screen, isn't it? And in the screen, in the white screen, we are able to see the film, isn't it? So the image which is formed on this white screen is said to be real image. I will explain it elaborately. If you are having home theaters, at home itself we are able to see films like there will be a projector and in the wall itself, you will be able to see the films, isn't it? When the film is running, if you're keeping the hand in between the projector and the wall, in your hand, you will be able to see the screen, isn't it? Have you ever noticed? You will be able to see the letters or any person, whatever the thing is in your hand. So this, which means what? It means that these images can be caught in real. This is called what, ma? Real images. Instead, if anyone is seeing a plain mirror to see their face, and if you are keeping a hand in between, will their image hit on your hand? No. No, right? So this image is said to be virtual image. So for plain mirrors, the images which are formed is always virtual. But in some other mirrors, the images which are formed can be real. So in which mirrors it will be seen as real? In spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors are yet another type of mirrors which you have to see. What is it? Spherical mirrors. Mirrors in the form of a sphere. Have you ever seen that? You may say no, but I will say that you have already seen the spherical mirrors. Okay? What? How? In the manner of a steel spoon. Okay? Steel spoon. If it is a new one, it will be much more better. And you can see your face in this part also, as well as in this part also, isn't it? If you are having a spoon with you, and if you are viewing your face in this spoon, in the curved inside manner also you will be able to see your face, and in the outward manner side also you will be able to see the face. Okay, this inward side. See, this side, if the outer side is polished and the inner side is acting as the reflecting surface, we are saying this side as what, ma? Concave mirror. What we said to be? It is said to be concave mirror. And if the inner side is polished and outer side is said to be the reflecting surface, we are saying it as convex mirrors. Okay, the inner side is when it is reflecting surface, it is said to be concave, and the outer side, if it is reflecting surface, it is said to be convex. So two kinds of mirrors are there. They are concave mirror. Here this is the concave mirror for you in the case of steel spoon, and this is said to be the convex mirror. Okay, these are two types of mirrors. In these two mirrors, images can be formed. The image which is formed in the concave mirror can be real or virtual, or it will be in the form of inverted or erect, which depends on the position of the object in the mirror. Okay, depends on the position of the object myself here, and the mirror. If it is kept in a far distance, we will get an image, and if it is so close to the object, if we will get an image. These images can be real or inverted, which depends on the distance between the object and mirrors. Concave mirrors are always converging mirrors. It will make the images to converge at a particular point. So what happens is, we will get enlarged image. Image we are obtaining from the concave mirrors will be much more enlarged. Is there any benefit of it? Yes. Dentist, ENT specialist and all uses this kind of mirrors, that is concave mirrors, to see that particular part in an enlarged manner. Have you seen the mirrors, small mirrors in the hand of dentist? What they use is, when they are keeping the mirrors in near our teeth, the teeth structure which will be much more magnified, and they will be able to see what is the difficulties or what are the problems in the teeth. Okay, so they are used by the dentist and ENT people. And what about the convex mirrors? Convex mirrors are diverging mirrors. In the concave mirror, when the light is falling, it will converge, gives a magnified image, while in the case of convex mirrors, when the light is falling, it will diverge this light. Diverging the light is happening in the case of convex mirrors. So always convex mirrors gives a small image. Image will be much more smaller than the object. So is there any use of it? Yes. The vehicles, as a rear view glass, we are using convex mirrors. When a person is driving, and if he is seeing in his side mirror, he can see the full traffic behind. Not just one vehicle behind. He can see much more traffic. What all things are there behind him on the road can be seen clearly with the help of this convex mirrors. It is used as a security mirrors in highly traffic roads. Okay, this is the uses of convex mirrors. Okay, now the yet another topic is about lens. There are two types of lenses, concave lens and convex lens. Before that, we should know what is lens. Lens is a transparent glass bounded by curved surface. It can be in two ways, like this as well as like this. This is a kind of lens and this is also a kind of lens. This is said to be convex lens and this is said to be concave lens. These lenses are also used for converging and diverging the light rays. Okay, convex lens are the converging lens while concave lens are the diverging lens. These convex lenses are mostly used in microscopes, then cameras, then as eyeglasses. Convex lens can be used, and also the concave lenses, which are diverging lenses, can be also used in flashlight, in torch lights, and then the peepholes of doors. Then it can be seen in some terrestrial telescopes and all. These concave lenses are used, and also for eyeglasses. Now the last and important topic is about the white light, sun's white light. Is there any light which is said to be white? No. The lights are of 7 colors. 7 colored light it is. What is that? Vibgyor, isn't it? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Sun's light consists of 7 colors, said to be Vibgyor, and these all the lights combine to form the white light. Okay, so rainbows, have you seen? In rainbows, we can see almost 7 colors in these rainbows. Actually, splitting of this white light into 7 colors is called what? Dispersion of the light. All these you will learn in detail in the 10th standard. Just we are having a glance of these. Okay, ma'am? Now, we have concluded this lesson. What all things we have learned? We have learned about the light, properties of light, reflection, then about the plane mirrors, then concave and convex mirrors, then about the lenses and concave and convex lens, and about the light, white light of sun. Now we are going quickly for the question time. Now it's the question time. The first question is, dash mirrors are used as rear view glasses in vehicles. It's easy one, right? Second one is, dash is a transparent glass bounded by curved sides. Third one is, dash images is obtained in a plane mirror. Is it real image or virtual image which is obtained in plane mirror? Send me the answers in the comment box. Thank you. We shall meet in the next class with a new lesson. Bye.